Hi again, I'm Milo, hooray! Let's learn fruits the fun way. Red apple, juicy and round, crunch it up, what a sound! Yellow banana, long and sweet, peel it back, it's a treat. Orange, bouncy ball, juicy splashes when I call. Purple grapes in a little bunch, pop them in for a crunchy munch. Strawberry red with tiny seeds, so sweet and cute, it's all you need. Pineapple spiky, tall and fun, sweet and juicy in the sun. Golden mango, soft and bright, slurpy fun and pure delight. Cherries too, a happy pair, hanging down like earrings fair. Green pear with a little bump, tasty treat that makes me jump. Fruits are tasty, fruits are fun, we learn so many, everyone. Sing again with me, Milo Sit's world of fruity glee. Bye bye, see you soon.